Hi friends, myself Gaurav Pawar. Welcome again in the channel SJP Education of YouTube channel. Today's topic is parts of switch, part number 8, conjunction. Conjunction is a connection or joining of clauses and sentence or words. Before going to the lecture, I request all of you guys, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and press like and share the video to your relatives and friends and in groups, so we are able to connect with more peoples. Now go to the lecture. Conjunction is the most important part in parts of speech. It is the word used to connect clauses, sentence and words in same clause. There are two type of conjunctions: coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction have four subtypes: cumulative, in that and both, as well as not only but also, no less than. Second is alternative conjunction, or otherwise, either or, neither nor. Third is adversive conjunction, but still, yet, nevertheless. Fourth is elative conjunction, so therefore, hence, consequently, henceforward. Now, part number second, subordinate conjunction, contains 9 subparts, subtypes. Time conjunction includes while, till, until, as, since, before, after, as soon as, no sooner than. Second is place conjunction, where, wherever. Reason conjunction, as, so, since, because, therefore. Condition conjunction, whether, unless, by itself. Contrast conjunctions, though, although, even if, than, then. Manner conjunction, as, if. 7 number is result conjunction, that, so that. 8 number is purpose conjunction, in order that, so that. And 9 number is comparison conjunction, as, so as, than. Okay, these are the type of conjunctions, total having 13 types of conjunction here. Main types are coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunctions. Now we are going to see some conjunctions list. Guys, namaste. We are going to go to the list. There have 75 most important and in daily use conjunctions. If you want to write conjunction, please click on description box. There I have already given 75 most important conjunction in daily use. Okay, here I am going to read for you. First is and, both, as well as soon as a rule, as usual, as if, as yet, as good as so, as to, as it were, not only but also, no sooner than, no doubt, no, by no means, no more, no less than, or otherwise, still, but neither nor, yet, nevertheless, so called, so far, as long as, and soon, so that, so long, there, and then, thereafter, therefore, therein, consequently, while, till, until, since, before, beforehand, after, one after another, day after day, after all, after effect, after math, after thought, after all, afterward, because, unless, by itself, of itself, though, although, what, thought, even if, even though, even so, evenly, if, ifs and buts, if and when, than, no other than, then, thence, then and there, that and all that, at that, in order that, on condition that, that is to say, in that condition. Total 75. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share the video in your friends, groups, and relative. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video. Thank you very much.